हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आ पूर्वर आम कोर 14 जाए सब क्वेश्चन आंसर सारी आज देखा डीएससी 1 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो चलते स्टार्ट करिबा आज रो वीडियो। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन होची व्हाट डज आईसीटी स्टैंड फॉर इन एजुकेशन। ऑप्शन है इंटरनेशनल कम्युनिकेशन टेक्निक्स, इंफॉर्मेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी, integrated computer technology, information coding techniques. Our answer of option number B, information and communication technology. ICT refers to technologies that provide access to inform through telecommunications. It includes the internet, wireless networks, cell phones, computers and other communication mediums. तापर 2 number question, which of the following best describes the importance of ICT in education. Option A increases teacher workload, replaces traditional teaching completely, enhances teaching and learning through digital tools, limits student teacher interaction. Our answer of option number C, enhances teaching and learning through digital tools. ICT enhances the teaching learning process by providing interactive tools, multimedia content and access to vast educational resources, making learning more effective and engaging. तापर 3 number question, how does ICT contribute to student centered learning? Option है by enforcing strict teaching methods, by focusing only on textbook learning, by allowing students to explore and learn at their own pace, by reducing the need for student participation. Our answer of option number C, by allowing students to explore and learn at their own pace. ICT tools like educational apps and e-learning platforms support personalized learning where students can take control of their learning process, thus fostering independence and curiosity. तापर 4 number question, which of the following is an example of ICT in the classroom? Option है chalk and blackboard, printed textbooks only, interactive whiteboards and digital content, only verbal lectures. Our answer of option number C, interactive whiteboards and digital content. Interactive whiteboards, educational software and multimedia presentations are ICT tools that enhance the learning experience beyond traditional methods. तापर 5 number question, why is ICT considered essential in 21st century education? Option है it discourages collaborative learning, it keeps education confined to classrooms, it promotes digital literacy and global connectivity, it limits access to diverse resources. Our answer of option number C, it promotes digital literacy and global connectivity. In the digital age, ICT equips students with necessary skills like digital literacy, problem solving and collaboration, preparing them for global opportunities and challenges. तापर 6 number question, which of the following is a fundamental component of ICT infrastructure in schools? Option है blackboard, chalk, computer, globe. Our answer of option number C, computer. Computers are a core part of ICT infrastructure. They are essential for accessing digital content, running educational software and connecting to the internet for communication and research. तापर 7 number question, what role does a telecommunication network play in ICT? Option है it provides physical classrooms, it supports voice and data communication across distances, it replaces teachers, it stores textbooks. Our answer of option number B, it supports voice and data communication across distances. A telecommunication network allows the transmission of data and voice, enabling internet access, online classes and communication through emails, video calls and educational platforms. तापर 8 number question, what is the main function of networking in ICT? Option is to teach moral values, to connect multiple computers and devices for resource sharing, to increase school fees, to organize cultural programs. Our answer of option number B, to connect multiple computers and devices for resource sharing. Networking in ICT connects computers and other devices to share data, internet access, printers and software applications, thus enhancing collaboration and productivity. तापर 9 number question, which of the following devices is required for establishing a computer network? ऑप्शन ए माउस कीबोर्ड राउटर मॉनिटर। Our answer of option number C, router. A router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks, enabling internet connectivity and communication between devices on the network. तापर 10 number question, what is the benefit of having a strong ICT infrastructure in educational institutions? Option A, reduces students attendance, promotes outdated teaching methods, enhances access to information and digital learning, discourages use of technology. Our answer of option number C, enhances access to information and digital learning. A strong ICT infrastructure improves the quality of education by supporting digital learning tools, online resources, virtual classrooms, and efficient school management systems. तापर 11 number question, what is the primary function of the internet? Option A, to play online games, to provide television services, to connect computers globally, to send text messages only. Our answer of option number C, to connect computers globally. The internet is a global network that connects millions of private, public, academic, business and government networks. तापर 12 number question, who is considered the father of the World Wide Web? Option A, Bill Gates, Tim Berners-Lee, Steve Jobs, Larry Page. Our answer of option number B, Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web in 1989 to share information through a system of interlinked hypertext documents. तापर 13 number question, what does the acronym URL stand for? Option A, Uniform Resource Link, Uniform Reference Locator, Universal Resource Locator, Uniform Resource Locator. Our answer of option number D, Uniform Resource Locator. A URL is the address used to access resources on the internet such as websites or files. तापर 14 number question, which of the following is a valid example of an email address? Option A, www.gmail.com, info@gmail, user@domain.com, user@gmail.com. Our answer of option number C, user@domain.com. An email address must include a username, an @ symbol, and a domain name. तापर 15 number question, what does HTTP stand for? Option A, Hyperlink Transfer Text Protocol, High Text Transfer Protocol, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, Hyperlink Text Transfer Process. Our answer of option number C, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is the protocol used for transferring web pages on the World Wide Web. तापर 16 number question, which protocol is used to receive email messages from a mail server? Option A, HTTP, FTP, POP3, SMTP. Our answer of option number C, POP3. POP3 is Post Office Protocol 3 is used by email clients to retrieve messages from a server. तापर 17 number question, what is the purpose of a web browser? Option A, to store files, to connect to a server, to display web pages, to manage hardware. Our answer of option number C, to display web pages. A web browser is software that allows users to access and view content on the internet. तापर 18 number question, which of the following is not a social media platform? Option A, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Microsoft Excel. Our answer of option number D, Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software and not used for social networking. तापर 19 number question, what does www stand for? Option A, World Wide Web, World Web Wide, World Wide Web Wide, World Wide World Web. Our answer of option number A, World Wide Web. www is a system of interlinked hypertext documents and multimedia accessed via the internet. तापर 20 number question, which of the following can be used to send emails? Option A, word processor, email client software, web browser, both B and C. Our answer of option number D, both B and C. Mane email client software or web browser. Emails can be sent using email clients like Outlook or through web browsers using webmail services like Gmail. तापर 21 number question, which protocol is used to send emails? Option A POP3, IMAP, SMTP, HTTP. Our answer of option number C, SMTP. SMTP, which is simple mail transfer protocol, is used to send emails from a client to a server. तापर 22 number question, which social media platform is mainly used for professional networking? Option A Instagram, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Facebook. Our answer of option number C, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is designed for professional networking and career development. तापर 23 number question, what is a domain name? Option A type of programming language, a part of an email address, the human readable address of a website, a data transfer method. Our answer of option number C, the human readable address of a website. Domain names are the text-based address, example www.example.com, used to access websites. तापर 24 number question, which of these is not a web browser? Option A Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Instagram. Our answer of option number D, Instagram. Instagram is a social media app. It is a not web browser. तापर 25 number question, what is the primary role of a search engine? Option A to create websites, to browse the internet, to find information on the web, to play videos. Our answer of option number C, to find information on the web. Search engines like Google or Bing help users locate specific content online. तापर 26 number question, what is a hyperlink? Option A a programming language, a link to another file or website, a type of email attachment, a browser tool. Our answer of option number B, a link to another file or website. A hyperlink is a reference that users can click to navigate from one page or document to another. तापर 27 number question, what is an IP address? Option A internet password, internal provider, a unique number for each device on a network, internet port. Our answer of option number C, a unique number of each device on a network. IP by Internet Protocol address identifies devices on a network for communication. तापर 28 number question, which of the following represents a secure website? Option A HTTP, FTP, HTTPS, Mail2. Our answer of option number C, HTTPS. HTTPS indicates a secure connecting using SSL or TLS for encrypted communication. तापर 29 number question, what is meant by phishing? Option A blocking ads online, a method to trap viruses, fraudulent attempt to get personal information, sharing large files. Our answer of option number C, fraudulent attempt to get personal information. Phishing is an attempt to obtain sensitive data like passwords by pretending to be a trustworthy source. तापर 30 number question, what is the difference between the internet and the world wide web? Option A no difference. Internet is software, www is hardware. Internet is the infrastructure, www is a service on it. www is a infrastructure, internet is a service on it. Our answer of option number C, internet is a infrastructure, www is a service on it. The internet is the network. The www is a system of accessing information using browsers. तापर 31 number question, how does ICT improve access to education? Option A by increasing examination difficulty, by limiting content to printed materials, by providing flexible and remote learning opportunities, by reducing the number of schools. Our answer of option number C, by providing flexible and remote learning opportunities. ICT tools such as online classes and digital content help learners access education from anywhere, making education more accessible, especially in remote or undeserved areas. ତାପରେ 32 number question, which of the following best represents the role of ICT in promoting quality in education? Option A is reducing student teacher interaction, enabling rote learning only, facilitating multimedia and interactive content, limiting content to textbooks. Our answer of option number C, facilitating multimedia and interactive content. ICT allows the use of videos, animations, simulation and interactive exercises which enhance understanding and engagement, thereby improving the quality of education. तापर 33 number question, ICT supports inclusion in education by option A offering one size fits all learning, excluded students with disabilities, providing adaptive learning technologies for diverse learners, replacing teachers completely. Our answer of option number C, providing adaptive learning technologies for diverse learners. ICT can offer personalized learning tools such as screen readers, speech to text software, and adjustable learning platforms to support students with different needs. तापर 34 number question, one of the major advantages of using ICT in rural education is option A increased tuition fees, better internet entertainment options, access to quality teachers and resources remotely, dependence on printed textbooks only. Our answer of option number C, access to quality teachers and resources remotely. ICT bridges the urban-rural divide by connecting students in remote areas to quality teaching and digital educational resources. तापर 35 number question, what is a common ICT tool used to enhance classroom inclusivity? Option A is overhead projector, textbooks, interactive whiteboards and assistive technology, chalk and board. Our answer of option number C, interactive whiteboards and assistive technology. Tools like interactive whiteboards and assistive technology, example audio books, magnifiers, help engage all types of learners including those with special needs, promoting inclusive education. तापर 36 number question, what is the primary meaning of e-learning? Option A learning by reading only printed books, education delivered through electronic media and digital platforms, classroom learning without any digital tools, outdoor experiential learning. Our answer of option number B, education delivered through electronic media and digital platforms. E-learning refers to learning that is facilitated through the use of electronic devices and internet platforms, allowing for flexible and often self-paced education. तापर 37 number question, one of the main advantages of e-learning is option A, it is limited to urban students only. It is more expensive than traditional learning. It allows learners to study at their own pace and convenience. It completely eliminates the need for teachers. Our answer of option number C, it allows learners to study at their own pace and convenience. E-learning provides flexibility, enabling students to access content anytime and anywhere, which is especially useful for working professionals and remote learners. तापर 38 number question, e-learning contributes to education by option A making learning slower, providing outdated resources, enhancing access to updated and diverse content, discouraging self-learning. Our answer of option number C, enhancing access to updated and diverse content. Through e-learning, learners can access a wide range of current and interactive materials, videos, simulations and other rich learning resources. तापर 39 number question, which of the following is not a key feature of e-learning? Option A, interactive multimedia content, face-to-face classroom teaching only, online assessment and quizzes, remote access through internet connected devices. Our answer of option number B, face-to-face classroom teaching only. While e-learning can supplement face-to-face teaching, it is characterized by digital and remote modes of instruction, unlike traditional face-to-face learning. तापर 40 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाई इज ई लर्निंग कंसिडर्ड इम्पोर्टेंट इन मॉडर्न एजुकेशन ऑप्शन ए बिकॉज it reduces the use of technology, because it limits access to education, because it supports lifelong learning and skill development, because it removes all human interaction. Our answer of option number C, because it supports lifelong learning and skill development. E-learning provides continuous access to education and training opportunities, supporting learners at various life stages and professional levels. तापर 41 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज ए वर्चुअल लर्निंग एनवायरनमेंट बा VLE ऑप्शन ए फिजिकल क्लासरूम विथ ऑनलाइन कंटेंट एन ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर मैनेजिंग एंड डिलीवरिंग एजुकेशनल कंटेंट ए सोशल मीडिया साइट ए लाइब्रेरी मैनेजमेंट टूल आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी एन ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर मैनेजिंग एंड डिलीवरिंग एजुकेशनल कंटेंट ए VLE is an integrated online system that allows teachers to deliver content, track progress and communicate with students digitally. तापर 42 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ ए VLE ऑप्शन ए गूगल ड्राइव फेसबुक मॉडल जूम आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी मॉडल इज ए वाइडली used VLE that supports content delivery, discussion, assessment and feedback. तापर 43 नंबर क्वेश्चन मॉक्स आर टिपिकली कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय ऑप्शन ए लिमिटेड एक्सेस एंड हाई फीस, small class sizes, open access and massive enrollment, face-to-face learning. Our answer of option number C, open access and massive enrollment. MOOCs are free and low-cost online courses open to anyone with internet access, allowing large-scale participation. तापर 44 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी पर्पज ऑफ वेबिनार्स इन एजुकेशन ऑप्शन ए टू सोशलाइज, टू शॉप ऑनलाइन, टू फैसिलिटेट लाइव इंटरैक्टिव लर्निंग सेशंस, to record videos. Our answer of option number C, to facilitate live interactive learning sessions. Webinars enable real-time interaction between instructor and learners, enhancing engagement. तापर 45 नंबर क्वेश्चन virtual universities differ from traditional universities in that they option A provide only offline classes, are accessible only to local students, deliver courses entirely online, do not offer degrees. Our answer of option number C, deliver courses entirely online. Virtual universities operate completely online, offering accredited courses and degrees remotely. तापर 46 नंबर क्वेश्चन ए की फीचर ऑफ ए वर्चुअल लर्निंग एनवायरनमेंट इज ऑप्शन ए वीडियो एडिटिंग टूल्स, course management tools, web browsing, video streaming only. Our answer of option number B, course management tools. VLEs offer tools to organize content, track learners' progress and manage course materials. तापर 47 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट डज MOOC स्टैंड फॉर ऑप्शन ए मल्टीपल ऑनलाइन ऑफिशियल कोर्स, मैसिव ओपन ऑनलाइन कोर्स, मॉड्यूलर ओपन ऑनलाइन सर्टिफिकेट, मैनेज्ड ऑनलाइन ऑफिस क्लास. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी मैसिव ओपन ऑनलाइन कोर्स. MOOC stand for massive open online course allowing free access to educational content online. तापर 48 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए MOOC प्लेटफॉर्म ऑप्शन ए Coursera, Gmail, Google Meet, Notepad. Our answer of option number A, Coursera. Coursera is a popular platform that hosts MOOCs from top universities and institutions. तापर 49 नंबर क्वेश्चन द मेन एडवांटेज ऑफ वर्चुअल यूनिवर्सिटीज इज ऑप्शन ए एक्सपेंसिव इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर, restricted access, flexible learning for global learners, limited course offerings. Our answer of option number C, flexible learning for global learners. Virtual universities offer accessible, flexible education without geographical barriers. तापर 50 नंबर क्वेश्चन ए डिस्कशन बोर्ड in an online course promotes option A distraction, passive learning, active engagement and collaboration, solo learning. Our answer of option number C, active engagement and collaboration. Forums encourage learners to share thoughts, ask questions and engage in peer learning. तापर 51 नंबर क्वेश्चन ई ट्यूटोरियल्स आर ऑप्शन ए face to face sessions, recorded and or live online instructional sessions, Printed materials, traditional classroom lectures. Our answer of option number B, recorded or live online instructional sessions. E-tutorials guides learners through specific topics via recorded or interactive formats. तापर 52 number question, one major benefit of MOOCs is option A exclusive access, time bound content, accessibility to a wide audience at low cost, need for prior classifications. Our answer of option number C, accessibility to a wide audience at low cost. MOOCs promote democratization of education by removing barriers to entry. तापर 53 number question, in a VLE assessment can be done through option A pen and paper only, discussion forums only, online quizzes and assignments, group projects only. Our answer of option number C, online quizzes and assignments. VLE integrate tools for quizzes, assignments and auto grading for efficient assessment. तापर 54 number question, which of these is a benefit of webinars in learning? Option A, lack of interaction, delayed feedback, real-time communication and management, limited access. Our answer of option number C, real-time communication and engagement. Webinars allow live Q&A, polls and discussions, boosting interactivity. तापर 55 number question, what is a drawback of relying solely on e-tutorials? Option A, flexibility, lack of instructor feedback, interactivity, use of multimedia. Our answer of option number B, lack of instructor feedback. E-tutorials may not offer immediate feedback unless combined with interactive elements. तापर 56 number question, virtual universities often provide option A, only diplomas, no support to learners, 24/7 access to learning materials, one-time access. Our answer of option number C, 24/7 access to learning materials. Learners can access content anytime, supporting flexible and personalized learning. तापर 57 number question, mocks can be enhanced with option A, printed notes, discussion boards and peer assessment, silent reading sessions, face-to-face meetings only. Our answer of option number B, discussion boards and peer assessment. Interaction through forums and peer reviews helps deepen understanding. तापर 58 number question, what is the primary medium of instruction in most virtual universities? Option A, books, radio, online platforms and multimedia, posters. Our answer of option number C, online platforms and multimedia. They use digital platforms combining text, audio and videos for instruction. तापर 59 number question, the key component of a virtual classroom is option A, physical presence, textbooks only, synchronous and asynchronous interaction tools, chalk and board. Our answer of option number C, synchronous and asynchronous interaction tools. Tools like chat, video conferencing and forums support real-time and flexible interaction. तापर 60 number question, what is a major challenges of MOOCs? Option A, no certification, low enrollment, high dropout rates, no content. Our answer of option number C, high dropout rates. Many learners register but don't complete MOOCs, highlighting a challenge in engagement. तापर 61 number question, a good example of an e-learning platform is option A, YouTube, WhatsApp, edX, Photoshop. Our answer of option number C, edX. edX is a reputable MOOC provider offering high quality courses globally. तापर 62 number question, e-learning promotes option A, fixed learning schedules, one size fits all learning, personalized and self-paced learning, flexible content. Our answer of option number C, personalized and self-paced learning. Learners control the pace, choose topics that meet their needs. तापर 63 number question, which tool helps educators track learners progressive in a VLE? Option H is spreadsheet only, online gradebook and analytic tools, chalkboard, physical attendance register. Our answer of option number B, online gradebook and analytic tools. VLEs often have built-in tracking and reporting systems to monitor performance. ତାପରେ 64 number question, what is the role of forum in online courses? Option A, provide entertainment, offer space for academic discussions and queries, replace assignments, store files only. Our answer of option number B, offer space for academic discussions and queries. Forums are interactive spaces where learners ask, answer and discuss course related content. ତାପରେ 65 number question, which e-learning medium is ideal for real time global interaction? Option A, email, webinar, textbook, blog. Our answer of option number B, webinar. Webinars allow live communication and collaboration across distances. तापर 66 number question, a flipped classroom uses e-learning by option A, teaching students after exams, delivering lectures outside class and using class for activities, replacing teachers, focusing only on reading. Our answer of option number B, delivering lectures outside class and using class for activities. E-learning delivers more core content and classroom time is used for discussions and applications. तापर 67 number question, an advantage of e-tutorials is option A, real time interaction only, offline engagement, on demand access and repetition, short term storage. Our answer of option number C, on demand access and repetition. Learners can revisit tutorials multiple times for better understanding. तापर 68 number question, mocks are most suitable for option A, personal enrichment and professional development, rural outreach only, kids only, corporate training only. Our answer of option number A, personal enrichment and professional development. Mocks are catered to varied goals like upskilling, career shifts or expanding knowledge. तापर 69 number question, which e-learning method emphasizes group learning via shared discussions? Option A, e-books, podcast, forums and webinars, PowerPoint. Our answer of option number C, forums and webinars. These formats support collaborative learning and peer interaction. तापर 70 number question, the biggest benefit of using e-learning media is option A, one-way learning, limited resources, access to diverse multimedia rich content, uniform pace for all. Our answer of option number C, access to diverse multimedia rich content. Multimedia content enhances engagement and caters to different learning styles. तापर 71 number question, what is the primary purpose of open educational resources by OER? Option A, to replace physical libraries, to commercialize education, to provide free and accessible educational materials for all, to restrict access to premium users. Our answer of option number C, to provide free and accessible educational materials for all. OERs are created to ensure that learners and educators can freely access, use and share quality educational content without financial or legal barriers. तापर 72 number question, one of the major benefits of OER is option A, promoting paid subscription models, limiting knowledge sharing, enhancing equity and inclusion in education, making textbooks more expensive. Our answer of option number C, enhancing equity and inclusion in education. OER helps bridge educational gaps by offering free learning materials, especially in underprivileged areas, thereby promoting inclusiveness. तापर 73 number question, which of the following is a key feature of OER? Option A, all rights reserved, paid access to content, open licensing, example which Creative Commons, proprietary content control. Our answer of option number C, open licensing, example Creative Commons. OERs are typically shared under open licenses, allowing others to reuse, revise, remix and redistribute content legally. तापर 74 number question, how does OER support teachers and educators? Option A, by restricting the use of teaching materials, by eliminating the need for any instructional design, by providing adaptable teaching resources, by enforcing one size fits all methods. Our answer of option number C, by providing adaptable teaching resources. OERs empower educators to customize materials to suit their learners' needs, promoting better engagement and outcomes. ତାପରେ 75 number question, open educational resources contribute to educational development by option A, reducing educational collaboration, encouraging rote memorization, fostering innovation in teaching and learning, promoting outdated content. Our answer of option number C, fostering innovation in teaching and learning. OERs encourage educators and learners to innovate through collaboration, content sharing and interactive learning tools. तापर 76 number question, what is the main function of an e-library? Option A, to store physical copies of textbooks, to provide access to online games, to provide digital access to books, journals and other resources, to rent physical books to students. Our answer of option number C, to provide digital access to books, journals and other resources. E-libraries offer digital access to a wide range of academic resources such as e-books, e-journals and databases, making learning more accessible and convenient. तापर 77 number question, what is a key benefit of using e-journals in education and research? Option A, they are always free, they provide real-time news updates, they offer quick access to updated and peer-reviewed research, they are easier to plagiarize. Our answer of option number C, they offer quick access to updated and peer-reviewed research. E-journals offer updated, credible and peer-reviewed content that supports scholarly research and academic work effectively. तापर 78 number question, what does InfliBnet stand for? Option A, Information Library Network, Integrated Library and Book Network, Information and Library Network, International Library Net. Our answer of option number C, Information and Library Network. InfliBnet by Information and Library Network is an autonomous inter-university center of UGC that promotes the sharing of library and information resources among academic and research institutions. तापर 79 number question, which of the following services is offered by InfliBnet? Option A, Netflix subscriptions, शोधगंगा, Reservoir of Indian Thesis, online sports streaming, news broadcasting. Our answer of option number B, शोधगंगा by a Reservoir of Indian Thesis. InfliBnet provides access to academic services like शोधगंगा, where Indian theses and dissertations are stored and made accessible for research purposes. तापर 80 number question, how does e-libraries contribute to inclusive education? Option A, by limiting access to specific institutions, by requiring expensive memberships, by offering 24/7 access to a wide range of learners, by replacing physical libraries entirely. Our answer of option number C, by offering 24/7 access to a wide range of learners. E-libraries support inclusive education by offering constant access to learning materials regardless of location, time or economic background. तापर 81 number question, which organization is responsible for developing and publishing school textbooks in India? Option A, UGC, NCTE, NCERT, MHRD. Our answer of option number C, NCERT. NCERT by National Council of Educational Research and Training is tasked with publishing textbooks and supporting school education in India. तापर 82 number question, what is the main function of the UGC? Option A, conduct school board exams, approve teacher education courses, maintain standards of higher education, promote child rights. Our answer of option number C, maintain standards of higher education. The University Grants Commission by UGC is responsible for coordinating, determining and maintaining standards of higher education in India. तापर 83 number question, which body approves teacher education programs in India? Option A, NCERT, UGC, NCTE, MHRD. Our answer of option number C, NCTE. The National Council for Teacher Education by NCTE regulates and oversees standards in teacher education. तापर 84 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ MHRD? ऑप्शन है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ह्यूमन राइट्स डेवलपमेंट, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हायर रिसर्च एंड डेवलपमेंट, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ हेल्थ एंड रूरल डेवलपमेंट. Our answer of option number B, Ministry of Human Resource Development. MHRD was the ministry responsible for education in India until it was renamed the Ministry of Education in 2020. तापर 85 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हिच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फोकसेस ऑन एजुकेशनल डाटा कलेक्शन एंड डिसेमिनेशन ग्लोबली? ऑप्शन है यूनेस्को, यूनिसेफ, UIS, UGC. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, UIS. द यूनेस्को इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर स्टैटिस्टिक्स बाय UIS collects and contributes data related to global education. तापर 86 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द की फोकस ऑफ यूनिसेफ इन एजुकेशन सेक्टर? ऑप्शन है टीचर ट्रेनिंग, हायर एजुकेशन, चाइल्ड राइट्स एंड बेसिक एजुकेशन, वोकेशनल ट्रेनिंग. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, चाइल्ड राइट्स एंड बेसिक एजुकेशन. यूनिसेफ supports programs that ensure child have access to basic education and protection of rights. तापर 87 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हिच इंडियन बॉडी प्राइमरीली ओवरसीज स्टेट लेवल एजुकेशन पॉलिसीज? ऑप्शन है DHE, MHRD, NCTE, NCERT. Our answer of option number A, DHE. The Directorate of Higher Education by DHE manages educational policies and administration at the state level. तापर 89 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which international organization is involved in promoting peace through education and culture? आर ऑप्शन है NCERT, यूनिसेफ, यूनेस्को, UGC. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, यूनेस्को. UNESCO promotes peace and sustainable development through international collaboration in education, science and culture. तापर 90 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हिच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डेवलप्ड द नेशनल करिकुलम फ्रेमवर्क बाय NCF? ऑप्शन है NCTE, NCERT, MHRD, UGC. Our answer of option number B, NCERT. NCERT is responsible for preparing and publishing curriculum frameworks in India. तापर 91 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हिच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्रोवाइड्स ग्रांट्स टू यूनिवर्सिटीज एंड कॉलेजेस? ऑप्शन है NCTE, DHE, UGC, MHRD. Our answer of option number C, UGC. The UGC allocates and distributes funds to higher education institutions. तापर 92 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ द DHE इन इंडियन स्टेट्स? ऑप्शन है ट्रेन स्कूल टीचर्स, फंड यूनिवर्सिटीज, एडमिनिस्टर स्टेट लेवल एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, publish school textbooks. Our answer of option number C, administer state level educational institutions. DHEs manage and regulate colleges and universities at the state level. तापर 93 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which body supports the development of pre-service and in-service teacher training material? ऑप्शन है UGC, NCERT, UNESCO, MHRD. Our answer of option number B, NCERT. NCERT develops various teaching and learning resources including training modules for teachers. तापर 94 नंबर क्वेश्चन, what is the mission of UNESCO in the field of education? ऑप्शन है कंट्रोल स्कूल करिकुला, प्रमोट हायर एजुकेशन इन रूरल एरियाज, प्रमोट क्वालिटी एंड इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन फॉर ऑल, distribute textbooks globally. Our answer of option number C, promote quality and inclusive education for all. UNESCO focuses on global access to inclusive and equitable education. तापर 95 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which organization launched the education for all initiative? ऑप्शन है यूनिसेफ, NCERT, यूनेस्को, NCTE. Our answer of option number C, UNESCO. UNESCO initiated the Global Education for All campaign to promote universal access to education. तापर 96 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following is the primary function of an encyclopedia as a learning resource? ऑप्शन है to provide word meanings, to offer detailed information on a wide range of topics, to translate text, to teach grammar rules. Our answer of option number B, to offer detailed information on a wide range of topics. Encyclopedia is a reference works that provide comprehensive summaries and explanation on various subjects, making them valuable for in-depth learning. तापर 97 नंबर क्वेश्चन, A dictionary is mainly used for option H watching educational videos, checking historical events, understanding meanings, pronunciation and uses of words, reading biographies. Our answer of option number C, understanding meanings, pronunciation and uses of words. Dictionaries serve as a language resource that helps learners understand spelling, meaning, pronunciation and grammatical uses of words. तापर 98 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज द की एडवांटेज ऑफ यूजिंग मल्टीमीडिया एज ए लर्निंग रिसोर्स ऑप्शन ए इट प्रोवाइड्स आउटडेटेड कंटेंट इट सपोर्ट्स ओनली टेस्ट बेस्ड लर्निंग इट एनहांसेस अंडरस्टैंडिंग थ्रू ऑडियो विजुअल स्टिमुलेशन it replaces books completely. Our answer of option number C, it enhances understanding through audio visual stimulation. Multimedia resources such as videos, animation and interactive software combine visual and auditory elements to improve engagement and comprehension. तापर 99 number question, which of the following is not typically found in a standard dictionary? Our option is synonyms and antonyms, word etymology, historical events, part of speech. Our answer of option number C, historical events. Dictionaries focuses on word related information. Historical events are typically covered in encyclopedias, not dictionaries. तापर 100 number question, multimedia learning resources are specially useful for which type of learners? Option A, only linguistic learners, visual and auditory learners, learners with no internet access, those who dislike technology. Our answer of option number B, visual and auditory learners. Multimedia resources cater well to visual and auditory learning styles by presenting content in engaging formats such as videos, audio clips and animations. तापर 101 number question, what is the main purpose of integrating ICT in the classroom? Option A, to replace the teacher, to entertain students, to enhance teaching and learning through technology, to reduce homework. Our answer of option number C, to enhance teaching and learning through technology. The core purpose of using ICT in education is to make teaching and learning more effective, interactive and engaging through the use of digital tools and resources. तापर 102 नंबर क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज आईसीटी सपोर्ट डिफरेंशिएटेड इंस्ट्रक्शन इन क्लासरूम्स? ऑप्शन ए, by giving all students the same tasks, by limiting learning options, by allowing personalized learning paths and materials, by replacing traditional methods completely. Our answer of option number C, by allowing personalized learning paths and materials. ICT tools enable teachers to tailor content and activities to suit different learning styles and paces, supporting inclusive and differentiated instruction. तापर 103 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following best describes the role of ICT in assessment? Option A, it delays the assessment process, it reduces the accuracy of grading, it automates and improves assessment and feedback, it only supports final exams. Our answer of option number C, it automates and improves assessment and feedback. ICT tools can be used for online quizzes, automated grading and instant feedback, making assessments more efficient and timely. तापर 104 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज वन मेजर बेनिफिट ऑफ यूजिंग आईसीटी फॉर कोलैबोरेटिव लर्निंग? ऑप्शन ए, इट आइसोलेट्स स्टूडेंट्स, it limits group activities, it facilitates communication and sharing among students, it encourages rote memorization. Our answer is option number C, it facilitates communication and sharing among students. ICT promotes collaborative learning by enabling students to work together through tools like forums, shared documents and video conferencing. तापर 105 number question, why is ICT considered important for 21st century education? Option A, it because it reduces the need for teachers, because it prepares students for digital literacy and future careers, because it increases textbook uses, because it limits students' creativity. Our answer of option number B, because it prepares students for digital literacy and future careers. In the modern world, ICT skills are essential Using ICT in classrooms helps students become component in technology, a key requirement for many professions. ତାପରେ 106 number question, what is the primary goal of ICT enabled curriculum? Option A to eliminate textbooks completely, to increase screen time for students, to enrich the existing curriculum through digital tools, to replace teachers with computers. Our answer of option number C, to enrich the existing curriculum through digital tools. ICT enabled curriculum aims to enhance traditional teaching methods by integrating digital resources and tools to improve student learning outcomes. ତାପରେ 107 number question, how can ICT tools be integrated into the existing curriculum effectively? Option A, by teaching ICT as a separate subject only, by randomly using gadgets in class, by aligning ICT tools with learning objectives and activities, by letting students use social media during lectures. Our answer of option number C, by aligning ICT tools with learning objectives and activities. Effective integration of ICT happens when digital tools are purposefully chosen to support specific curriculum goals and student learning tasks. ତାପରେ 108 number question, which of the following is an example of using ICT in a science curriculum? Option A, reading from printed notes, drawing diagrams by hand only, using simulation to understand specific phenomena, listening to a lecture without visuals. Our answer of option number C, using simulations to understand scientific phenomena. ICT tools like simulation and virtual labs help students visualize and experiment with concepts that are hard to demonstrate in a regular classroom. ତାପରେ 109 number question, how does ICT enabled curriculum promote active learning? Option A, by encouraging rote memorization, by providing fixed answers only, by allowing students to explore, create and collaborate, by using only printed textbooks. Our answer of option number C, by allowing students to explore, create and collaborate. ICT tools foster active learning by enabling students to engage with content interactively, conduct research and work together on projects. ତାପରେ 110 number question, what is a challenge in integrating ICT into the existing curriculum? Option A, too much student engagement, teachers being overly dependent on textbooks, lack of interest in traditional methods, inadequate ICT infrastructure and teacher training. Our answer of option number D, inadequate ICT infrastructure and teacher training. A key barrier to ICT integration is the lack of digital resources and professional development for teachers to effectively use technology in curriculum delivery. ତାପରେ 111 number question, what does full integration of ICT into the curriculum primarily aim to achieve? Option A, replacing all traditional teaching methods, using computers occasionally for fun activities, embedded ICT across all subjects and learning activities, offering ICT as an optional subject only. Our answer of option number C, embedded ICT across all subjects and learning activities. Full integration means ICT becomes an essential part of teaching and learning in all subjects, not just limited to separate computer classes. ତାପରେ 112 number question, which of the following best describes a classroom with fully integrated ICT? Option A, students occasionally use tablets for games, teachers use chalk and board for all topics, digital tools are used regularly to enhance lessons in all subjects, only ICT teachers use technology. Our answer of option number C, digital tools are used regularly to enhance lessons in all subjects. A fully integrated ICT classroom makes consistent use of digital resources to support learning across the curriculum. ତାପରେ 113 number question, what is a key requirement to full ICT integration into curriculum? Option A, high student teacher ratio, presence of a single computer in school, professional development and training for teachers, limiting ICT use to computer labs. Our answer of option number C, professional development and training for teachers. Teachers must be trained in using ICT effectively within their teaching practices to ensure meaningful integration. ତାପରେ 114 number question, how does full integration of ICT support personalized learning? Option A, by giving every student the same worksheet, by assigning one teacher to all subjects, by allowing students to learn at their own pace using digital tools, by removing assessments. Our answer of option number C, by allowing students to learn at their own pace using digital tools. ICT tools like adaptive learning platforms help cater to individual student needs and learning speeds. ତାପରେ 115 number question, which of the following is a potential benefit of full ICT integration in curriculum? Option A, decreased student engagement, reduced use of multimedia content, improved collaboration and creativity, complete elimination of physical classrooms. Our answer of option number C, improved collaboration and creativity. Full ICT integration encourages interactive, collaborative and creative learning environments through the use of digital tools and platforms. ତାପରେ 116 number question, which of the following is considered essential hardware for an ICT integrated smart classroom? Option A, whiteboard only, traditional chalkboard, interactive whiteboard or smartboard, overhead projector. Our answer of option number C, interactive whiteboard or smartboard. An interactive whiteboard is a core component of a smart classroom, allowing digital interaction, touch features and multimedia presentations. तापर 117 number question, what type of software is primarily used to facilitate teaching and learning in a smart classroom? Option A, spreadsheet software, word processors only, learning management systems by LMS, antivirus software. Our answer of option number C, learning management system by LMS. LMS like Google Classroom or Moodle helps manage learning materials, assignments and communication between teachers and students. तापर 118 number question, which of the following best describes a proper utilization procedure in a smart classroom? Option A, using the hardware only on special occasions, teachers planning lessons that actively use digital content and tools, locking the devices after installation, banning students from using any technology. Our answer of option number B, teachers planning lessons that actively use digital content and tools. For effective utilization, smart classroom resources must be embedded in regular teaching and learning activities through lesson planning. तापर 119 number question, what kind of connectivity is vital for the successful implementation of a smart classroom? Option A, telephone lines, satellite TV, stable internet connection, radio signals. Our answer of option number C, stable internet connection. A reliable internet connection is critical to access digital content, conduct live classes, stream videos and use cloud-based applications. तापर 120 number question, which of the following tools is commonly used for assessment in ICT enabled smart classrooms? Option A, pen and paper test only, printed worksheets only, online quiz and polling tools, oral questioning alone. Our answer of option number C, online quiz and polling tools. These tools allow teachers to conduct instant assessments, gather feedback and analyze student performance efficiently. तापर 121 number question, what is the first step in developing an ICT based multimedia lesson? Option A, selecting background music, finalizing the color scheme, identifying learning objectives, installing animation software. Our answer of option number C, identifying learning objectives. Defining clear learning objectives is crucial before creating multimedia content, as it guides the selection of tools, media and strategies. तापर 122 number question, which of the following best describes multimedia in an educational context? Option A, use of only text documents, combination of audio, video, text, graphics and animation, using a blackboard and chalk, printing colorful handouts. Our answer of option number B, combination of audio, video, text, graphics and animation. Multimedia integrates various forms of media and make learning more engaging and effective by appealing to multiple senses. तापरे 123 number question, what is the primary benefit of using multimedia in lesson delivery? Option A, makes teachers obsolete, reduces the need for textbooks, enhances students' engagement and understanding, increases homework load. Our answer of option number C, enhances student engagement and understanding. Multimedia lessons are visually rich and interactive, helping students understand complex concepts more easily and stay focused. तापर 124 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which software is commonly used for creating ICT based lesson presentations? ऑप्शन ए Adobe Reader, MS Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, WinRAR. Our answer of option number C, Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint is widely used to create visually engaging lesson presentations with embedded multimedia elements like images, videos and animations. तापर 125 नंबर क्वेश्चन, when designing a multimedia lesson what should be avoided to maintain clarity? ऑप्शन ए using relevant visuals including educational videos, overloading slides with text and effects, aligning content with objectives. Our answer of option number C, overloading slides with text and effects. Excessive text and flashy effects can distract students and reduce the effectiveness of the lesson. Clarity and simplicity are key. तापर 126 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द मेन पर्पज ऑफ आईसीटी कॉम्पिटेंसी स्टैंडर्ड्स फॉर टीचर्स? ऑप्शन ए टू हेल्प स्टूडेंट्स लर्निंग प्रोग्राम, to improve teacher salaries, to guide teachers in integrating ICT effectively into teaching, to replace traditional teaching methods completely. Our answer of option number C, to guide teachers in integrating ICT effectively into teaching. ICT competency standards help teachers understand how to effectively use technology to enhance teaching and learning processes. तापर 127 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हिच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन डेवलप्ड द आईसीटी कॉम्पिटेंसी फ्रेमवर्क फॉर टीचर्स? ऑप्शन ए एनसीईआरटी, यूनेस्को, यूजीसी, यूनिसेफ. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, यूनेस्को. यूनेस्को डेवलप्ड द आईसीटी कॉम्पिटेंसी फ्रेमवर्क फॉर टीचर्स टू सपोर्ट द इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ आईसीटी इन एजुकेशन एंड इम्प्रूव टीचिंग प्रैक्टिसेस वर्ल्ड वाइड. तापर 128 नंबर क्वेश्चन, आईसीटी कॉम्पिटेंसी स्टैंडर्ड्स आर divided into which of the following stages? Option A beginner, intermediate, advanced, exploration, mastery, perfection, knowledge acquisition, deepening, creation, installation, application, termination. Our answer of option number C, knowledge acquisition, deepening, creation. These stages represents progressive levels of ICT integration from basic awareness to innovation used in transforming education. तापर 129 नंबर क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज आईसीटी कंट्रीब्यूट टू द प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ टीचर्स? ऑप्शन ए इट रिड्यूसेस द नीड फॉर टीचिंग, इट लिमिट्स कोलैबोरेशन, it provides access to online training and global resources, it replaces in service training. Our answer of option number C, it provides access to online training and global resources. ICT allows teachers to participate in webinars, mocks and digital learning communities, enhancing their knowledge and skills. तापर 130 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज वन ऑफ द मेजर चैलेंजेस इन इम्प्लीमेंटिंग आईसीटी स्टैंडर्ड्स फॉर टीचर्स? ऑप्शन ए too many available resources, lack of interest from students, inadequate infrastructure and training, overuse of textbooks. Our answer of option number C, inadequate infrastructure and training. Many schools lack the necessary hardware, internet access and teacher training to implement ICT standards effectively. तापर 131 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज वन मेजर बेनिफिट ऑफ यूजिंग आईसीटी इन स्कूल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन? ऑप्शन ए increases paper uses, makes record keeping more difficult, enhances efficiency and accuracy of data management, slows down communication. Our answer of option number C, enhances efficiency and accuracy of data management. ICT tools like school management systems help streamline administrative tasks such as students' attendance, staff records and exam data, making them faster and more accurate. तापर 132 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following is commonly used ICT tools in school administration? ऑप्शन ए स्मार्ट बोर्ड, स्कूल मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर, प्रोजेक्टर, डीवीडी प्लेयर. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, स्कूल मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर. SMS is widely used to manage academic and administrative data like admissions, timetables, attendance, free collection, and communication with parents. तापर 133 नंबर क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज आईसीटी इंप्रूव कम्युनिकेशन इन स्कूल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन? ऑप्शन है बाय रिप्लेसिंग ईमेल्स विथ हैंडरिटन नोट्स, through real-time updates via emails, SMS, and portals, by reducing digital communication, by avoiding parent involvement. Our answer of option number B, through real-time updates via emails, SMS, and portals. ICT enables faster and more effective communication between school authorities, teachers, and students and parents through digital platforms. तापर 134 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट रोल डज आईसीटी प्लेज इन स्कूल फाइनेंस मैनेजमेंट? ऑप्शन है इट हाइड्स फाइनेंशियल डाटा, it complicates the budget, it helps in automated fee collection and financial reporting, it encourages manual leader entries. Our answer of option number C, it helps in automated fee collection and financial reporting. ICT based finance tools automate fee collection, budgeting, payroll, and auditing, reducing errors and saving times. तापर 135 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाई इज डाटा सिक्योरिटी इंपोर्टेंट इन आईसीटी बेस्ड स्कूल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन? ऑप्शन है टू मेक डाटा पब्लिकली एक्सेसिबल, टू प्रिवेंट डाटा फ्रॉम बीइंग ऑर्गेनाइज्ड, टू प्रोटेक्ट सेंसिटिव स्टूडेंट एंड स्टाफ इंफॉर्मेशन, to delete old records. Our answer of option number C, to protect sensitive student and staff information. ICT systems store sensitive data. Ensuring data security helps protect privacy and maintain the integrity of school records. तापर 136 number question, how does ICT help in the student admission process? Option है by conducting manual interviews only, by delaying the admission procedures, through online application and automated record verification, by reducing access to admission information. Our answer of option number C, through online application and automated record verification. ICT simplifies the admission process by allowing students to apply online, upload documents, and track the status, improving transparency and efficiency. तापर 137 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज वन मेजर बेनिफिट ऑफ आईसीटी एनेबल्ड लाइब्रेरी सिस्टम्स इन स्कूल्स? ऑप्शन है इंक्रीजेस द नीड फॉर मैनुअल कैटलॉगिंग, लिमिट्स स्टूडेंट एक्सेस टू रिसोर्सेस, provides easy access to digital and online resources, reduces the need for book availability. Our answer of option number C, provides easy access to digital and online resources. ICT enabled libraries allow students to search digital catalogs, access e-books, and use online journals, enhancing learning opportunities beyond traditional resources. तापर 138 नंबर क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज आईसीटी कंट्रीब्यूट टू गाइडेंस एंड काउंसलिंग सर्विसेज इन स्कूल्स? ऑप्शन है बाय एलिमिनेटिंग फेस टू फेस कम्युनिकेशन, थ्रू ऑनलाइन शेड्यूलिंग एंड डिजिटल कैरियर गाइडेंस प्लेटफॉर्म्स, बाय अवॉइडिंग स्टूडेंट इन्वॉल्वमेंट, बाय डिस्करेजिंग पेरेंटल पार्टिसिपेशन. Our answer of option number B, through online scheduling and digital career guidance platforms. ICT tools support guidance services through digital aptitude tests, e-counseling platforms, and information about career and higher education options. तापर 139 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following best describes the use of ICT in maintaining student records? Option है records are stored in hard copies only, information is deleted monthly, records are organized and accessed digitally for accuracy and security, students manage their own files manually. Our answer of option number C, records are organized and accessed digitally for accuracy and security. ICT allows for secure centralized digital storage for academic, health, and behavioral records, making retrieval easy and reliable. तापर 140 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज ए की एडवांटेज ऑफ यूजिंग आईसीटी इन स्टूडेंट सपोर्ट सर्विसेज ओवरऑल? ऑप्शन है स्लोज डाउन एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव प्रोसेस, encourage paperwork, enhances accessibility, accuracy, and responsiveness, reduces the involvement of teachers. Our answer of option number C, enhances accessibility, accuracy, and responsiveness. ICT streamlines various student services, ensuring that students receive timely support in academic, personal, and administrative areas. तापर 141 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज वन मेजर एडवांटेज ऑफ आईसीटी एनेबल्ड असेसमेंट? ऑप्शन है इट कंप्लीटली एलिमिनेट्स द नीड फॉर टीचर्स, It allows real-time feedback and analysis. It makes exams longer and more complicated. It reduces the number of students assessed. Our answer of option number B, it allows real-time feedback and analysis. ICT tools can instantly evaluate student responses and provide immediate feedback, helping both students and teachers identify learning gaps quickly. ତାପରେ 142 number question, which of the following is a commonly used ICT tool for assessment? Option A, blackboards, paper based assignments, online quizzes and learning management system by LMS, chalk and duster. Our answer of option number C, online quizzes and learning management systems by LMS. LMS platforms like Google Classroom, Models and Edmodo offer tools for creating and grading quizzes, assignments, and tracking progress digitally. ତାପରେ 143 number question, how does ICT enhance formative assessment? Option A, by conducting assessments only at the end of the term, by enabling ongoing monitoring through interactive platforms, by avoiding any tracking of progress, by reducing teacher-student interaction. Our answer of option number B, by enabling ongoing monitoring through interactive platforms. ICT supports formative assessment through regular quizzes, polls, and activities that track student learning continuously. ତାପରେ 144 number question, what type of questions is most effectively assessed using ICT tools? Option A, long essays only, multiple choice, fill in the blanks and matching type questions, oral interviews, group discussions. Our answer of option number B, multiple choice, fill in the blanks and matching type questions. ICT tools are particularly effective in automatically accessing objective type questions, making the process faster and more efficient. तापर 145 number question, which of the following is a limitation of ICT enabled assessment? Option A, lack of objectivity in scoring, requires internet connectivity and digital infrastructure, reduces workload of teachers, encourages personalized learning. Our answer of option number B, requires internet connectivity and digital infrastructure. One challenge of ICT enabled assessment is the dependency on a stable internet access and the availability of digital devices, which may not be feasible in all contexts. तापर 146 number question, what is a key role of ICT in open and distance learning by ODL? Option A, limiting student teacher communication, facilitating flexible anywhere anytime learning, making education more expensive, promoting only classroom based teaching. Our answer of option number B, facilitating flexible anywhere anytime learning. ICT tools like e-learning platforms, video lectures, and online forums support learning without geographical or time constraints, which is essential for ODL. तापर 147 number question, which ICT tool is most commonly used to deliver content in distance education? Option A, chalkboards, radio and television broadcast, printed textbooks only, notebooks and pens. Our answer of option number B, radio and television broadcast. Broadcast media like educational TV channels, example Swayam Prabha, and radio, example Gyanbani, are effective ICT tools used in delivering distance learning content. तापर 148 number question, how does ICT improve interaction in distance learning environments? Option A, by preventing student collaboration through emails, discussion board and video conferencing, by avoiding real-time communication, by replacing group activities. Our answer of option number B, through emails, discussion boards and video conferencing. ICT enables active communication between learners and instructors via digital channels, increasing engagement and reducing isolation in distance learning. तापर 149 number question, which of the following platforms is an example of ICT used for ODL in India? Option A, Facebook, WhatsApp, Swayam, Instagram. Our answer of option number C, Swayam. Swayam is a government initiative offering massive open online courses by MOOCs using ICT to provide quality education across distances. तापर 150 number question, what is one major benefit of using ICT in ODL? Option A, decreases access to higher education, increases cost of study material, promotes self-paced and independent learning, limits feedback from instructors. Our answer of option number C, promotes self-paced and independent learning. ICT allows learners in ODL settings to access resources anytime and learn at their own speed, which is significant advantage of the model. ତାପରେ 151 number question, what is the main role of ICT in promoting lifelong learning? Option A, limiting access to information, encouraging rote memorization, supporting continuous and self-directed learning, focusing only on formal education. Our answer of option number C, supporting continuous and self-directed learning. ICT enables individuals to learn at their own pace and convenience, making it ideal for lifelong learning beyond traditional educational settings. तापर 152 number question, which of the following is an example of ICT facilitating lifelong learning? Option A, library cards, online learning platforms like Coursera or Swayam, printed newspapers, strict pledge. Our answer of option number B, online learning platforms like Coursera or Swayam. These platforms offer accessible courses on a wide range of topics for all age groups, promoting learning throughout life. तापर 153 number question, how does ICT support learning for people with different learning needs and backgrounds? Our option is by providing rigid courses structures, by using one size fits all content, by offering personalized and adaptive content, by requiring attendance at fixed hours. Our answer of option number C, by offering personalized and adaptive content. ICT tools can adapt to individual learning styles, preferences and paces, making education inclusive and personalized. तापर 154 number question, what feature of ICT particularly helps working professionals in lifelong learning? Option A, classroom based learning only, scheduled physical exams, flexibility in time and location, only degree oriented courses. Our answer of option number C, flexibility in time and location. ICT allows working professionals to access learning materials anytime and from anywhere, balancing education with work commitments. तापर 155 number question, which of the following is not a benefit of using ICT for lifelong learning? Option A, encouraging passive learning, enhancing access to global knowledge, supporting interactive learning environments, promoting continuous skill development. Our answer of option number A, encouraging passive learning. ICT encourages active and engaged learning, not passive learning. It supports interactive content and learner participation. DSC 1 रो समस्त क्वेश्चन आंसर सरीगला. आम नेक्स्ट वीडियो देखा DSC 2 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर. जदि वीडियो भल लाଗୁଛି लाइक करंतु और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग.